Welcome back to ACEP Day 3. We are so excited to find out what's happening today. What is something that you've learned so far at ACEP that you're going to take home and use in your clinical practice?
Absolutely. Yeah, I've learned about the Shanghai criteria for diagnosing Brugada syndrome at Alma Matu's talk. It was awesome. Yeah,
I'm going to have to look that one up. What's been your favorite session that you've been to at ACEP so far?
Probably the MRAP live session.
What did you learn there?
That I'm never going to diagnose hemophagocytic lymphohistiocytosis.
It's nice to be outside of the department with my friends and my attendings and seeing them outside of work.
Who is the current president of ACEP?
I do not know.
Who was the most recent president of ACEP?
Paul Caval.
No. Who is the president of the United States? This guy went to the Emma party. Maybe we can find somebody inside of this store.
We're not doing this right now.
Excuse me. Can you tell me who the current president of ACEP is?
The current president is Asia Terry.
Who was the president before her?
I can't think straight right now. I don't know.
What state was ACEP founded in?
Oh my God, don't even do this to me. I don't even know.
Do you know what chapter of ACEP you're a part of?
Michigan?
Michigan. Do you know where ACEP was founded?
Michigan?
Michigan! That's a wrap for ACEP Day 3. By the time you see this, you're probably on the way home. We hope you get there safely, and we cannot wait to see you next year in Las Vegas.